This week's Aviation 101 Fun Facts aircraft is the Airbus A220. The Airbus A220 originated as the Bombardier CS-100, but was changed to the A220 when Airbus and Bombardier joined forces under the Airbus Canada Limited Partnership, or ACLP, in July 2008. This is the only Airbus program managed outside of Europe, and this plane is built in both Merrimack, Quebec, and Mobile, Alabama. The Airbus A220 was developed to compete with the Boeing 737 MAX 7 and the Embraer E195 E2 and the E190 E2. This aircraft is a 5 abreast narrow body jetliner that is powered by two Pratt & Whitney PW1500G turbofan engines. There are two variants of this aircraft: the A220-100, which is 115 feet long and seats 108 to 133 passengers with a range of 3,450 nautical miles, and the A220-300, which is 127 feet long and seats 130 to 160 passengers with a range of 3,600 nautical miles. The first flight of the A220 was on September 16th, 2013, and the first aircraft was delivered to Swiss Global Airlines on July 15th, 2016. Delta Airline flies the most A220s with 74 aircraft in their fleet. A total of 904 aircraft have been ordered to operate with 24 airlines. 392 of the 904 planned A320 aircraft have been delivered as of January 2025.